So Jai Hind everyone, my name is Himanshu and you know me as a Hemsa learner. So as you have seen in the recent videos about what was the video about? The constructive punishment, that is Maharaja position, okay? And it is also termed as a different name, like in police force, they usually call it Dharti Dhakel, okay? Because you are pushing the land from your head, okay? And also it is known as commando bend, okay? And also it is the exercise for iron head, okay? To make the head strong, okay? So when we see this punishment, or when we see this ragda, it seems like it is leading so much pressure on the head, but that's not the truth. The truth is that when you will actually perform this activity, okay, you will get to know that uh, it is leading more pressure on your core, okay. Let's make me understand. I have two pen here, and let me make you understand. So suppose these are the like I have two pen. Now this is the portion of your torso, the body, the upper body, and this is the lower body. Okay, let me combine it all together. Oh, shit. Okay, so that's how we do this activity, the commando bending, something like that. Okay, this is the commando bending. So it is your head and it is your leg. So the basic pressure you will face on your head, but the both force, it is getting combined at some place at the same main axis, the main center, that is your core, okay. So the stronger your core will be, the more time you will be able to do this, okay. And I'm not making you fear, but usually, at least I will say that at least you need to do this 8 to 10 minutes. Are you able to hear this? At least you need to do this 8 to 10 minutes, because in training period it could be so longer, okay. So that was the part of Maharaja position, okay. Now the next now the next ragda, which I will upload soon, it is regarding to the knee walking. Just like we do walk on our feet, we need to walk on our knee, okay. And on knee walking, basically it could be happen that you need to walk on the concrete, okay. So be strong, okay. Now apart from that, the basic thing which I think all the trainees should do, or which I do, basically I will not talk about other people, but I will talk about myself, that what, because maybe I can talk so many things, but those things which you actually perform is matter. So we need to focus on the strength training, okay. Strength, when we talk about the strength, basically when we were in class 9th and in class 10th, okay, like I'm just making you understand from the perspective of science, okay, or more specifically from the perspective of physics. So when we talk about uh, force, okay, force is basically the strength, okay. uh, so when we talk about force, it is specifically mentioned that force is a kind of action which involves push and pull, okay. Now see this specific terms, push and pull. In all the activity, basically we are performing these two things, push or pull. We are going walking on the road, we are pushing the road, we are pushing the land, okay. When we are riding, we are pushing with our hands, we are exerting force with our hands, okay. And when you're doing any kind of exercise, like when I talk about squat ups, when you go down, you're pushing your body. When you go up, we are pulling our body, okay. So all those activities which performs push and pull is basically made for the strength. Somewhere it is uh, enhancing your strength, okay. It is working towards your strength, okay. Now So and if you go through the just the words push and pull, there are exercises called push up and pull up, and in my on my channel uh, there will be so many videos regarding to that. Okay. And yeah, apart from that, it's like my purpose is not to, you know, my purpose is just mainly to focus to help people. And if even one people get help from those videos or from my words, I got my meaning. Okay. So that's the thing. Or try to do all those activities, try to do all those exercises, which involves push up and pull. And I think all exercises involves push up and pull, push and pull. Sorry. Okay. So and the more repetitive action you will do, the more repetition you will do, the more strength you will able to have. Okay. So that's all. Now wait. Soon I will upload the next video of knee walk. And till that, keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.